Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your personal capital account using one login for all your financial accounts. Personal Capital is a powerful tool that helps you track your finances, investments, and net worth all in one place. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Personal Capital can be accessed on any device with internet connectivity, so make sure you have a stable connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Personal Capital website. In your web browser's address bar, type in www.personalcapital.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Personal Capital homepage. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once you're on the Personal Capital website, look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be redirected to the Login page. Here, you need to enter the email address associated with your Personal Capital account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Step 5. Enter your password. After entering your email, you'll need to input your password in the designated field. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Step 6. Click on Login. Once you have entered both your email and password, click on the Login button. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you can access all your financial accounts. Step 7. Access your financial accounts. After logging in successfully, take a moment to explore your dashboard. Here, you can view investment balances, track your spending, analyze your net worth, and manage your accounts all in one place. Step 8. Log out when finished. For security reasons, always remember to log out of your Personal Capital account when you're done using it, especially if you're on a shared or public device. Simply click on your profile icon and select Log Out. We hope that this step-by-step guide has helped you log into your Personal Capital account smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.